Here's the big zipper spider that lives on this bush in my yard. I usually come play with it every day. It's really interesting. If I touch it, it's gonna get scared and it's gonna start bouncing on its legs to shake its web. Kind of like a person bouncing on a trampoline. Look at this. See, now it's bouncing and it's run to the other side of the web. So if I touch it again, it's gonna run back to this side. It's like, no! See, now it's bouncing around. It's really interesting. There's no wind at all, it's just bouncing because it's moving its leg to shake the web, so that, I guess, to make it difficult for the predator to find it. So now if I blow air on it, it'll stop the bounce, and then once I stop blowing, it'll start bouncing again. Check this out. Uh-oh, fell off. Here's another one living in my neighbor's yard. Let me touch it so it'll start bouncing. Okay, now it's bouncing. Okay, so now I'm gonna blow air on it. So it stopped for a bit, and then here's another one of those spiders in the neighbor's yard. I'm gonna go catch it and throw it on the other spider's web and see what happens. Here he goes. Doesn't seem to care. I don't know what happened. This spider is a lot smaller now. Maybe the small one ate the big one, or maybe the big one laid eggs or something. Let me touch it again. Oh, now it's bouncing again. See, if I blow on it, it'll kind of slow it down, and it'll keep bouncing again. Kind of interesting. Time to feed a spider a huge cicada. Oh, it's eating it. It's wrapping it up. See this web coming out of its butt?
Wow. It does really fan out. I guess he spreads it out with his legs.
Yeah. It's very scared at first. It's like, ooh, tasty.
It's pretty cool.
I guess they will have a big feast for 2 days. They don't have to eat for a week.
Crazy. I've never seen a spider do this before.
This thing is like twice its size.
It's also very slow.
It probably weighs as much as 2 times how much the spider weighs.
I wonder how fast a spider can produce web and if it has to eat something to be able to produce it, or
It probably has to eat something. Mass conservation. I think it's fighting it.
just a little poison, wrap a little more, and just a little poison.
Oh, it's done.
And this one's going to die.